Have you been longing to try free motion quilting? It looks amazing, but you might be wondering how it's possible on your home sewing machine. In this beginner-friendly class taught by HollyAnne Knight, you'll learn everything you need to know to achieve free motion quilting success. Enroll in beginner-friendly free motion quilting today and show off your new skills tomorrow. During this awesome class, you'll go from wanting to free motion quilt to actually becoming a rockstar quilter. Start with a detailed look at 2 simple methods for basting a quilt right at home using spray baste or pins. Then, get your sewing machine primed and ready with a few tips and far fewer supplies than you might imagine. This fun class teaches you how you can free motion quilt with your machine, whatever machine that may be. Next, you'll also learn 3 different beginner-friendly classic quilting motifs along with easy variations and troubleshooting, so you'll keep progressing as you practice. By the time the class is through, you'll have learned to create all 3 classic stitches, and soon you'll be finishing your very own quilt right on your home machine. Begin your journey to success in beginner-friendly free motion quilting with HollyAnne Knight and learn how to beautifully finish your quilt